Welcome to Phenomena State Talent Showcase. I'm your host, Carol London. Today in our show we have a talented dancers. I'm talking about ex-Pandamo crew. I'm talking about King Zondi Ubega, the king of dancing. And I'm talking about ex-Majaivan from Station 4 and the king from RDP section. Am I right, gents?
Yes.
Wow. Ladies and gents, please allow me to introduce to you Panda Exmo crew. Welcome to the show, gents. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, good.
Just sinasitshela ukuthi sinani namhlanje. Dala thina sivela ngani gents. Namhlanje sisimbonile namhlanje. Namhlanje siyanibona namhlanje gents. So, gents, I have a question.
Okay.
First, this one is not a question.
Okay.
I just want you to tell about the macabre kenal. You know, umntwana samkela. Umntwana ubani kamela kasimazela. But personally simkeli. So ngifuna ubatshela ukuthi masikhuluma ngawo personally. What the fuck are we talking about?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello everyone, I go by the name of Ex Majaivane. Ngihamba King B. Mina ex guys Majaivane. Into engigcine ngayo khona ukuyenza from eKaslami. Vele naseKasi bangazi vele ukuthi ayijayela. La ngifike khona nje. Kuba mnandi guys angithola.
Shibaye shumisa indawo.
Ngiyamosha. So lento le mangilokhu ngiyenza ngithola. So iba nempumelelo because abantu bayithanda into engiyenzayo kahle.
Alright.
So nokuba kwami la namhlanje anazi njalo kanjani guys.
Nangibona ngismile. Ngibona nje
ngizobuya imoya. Kusho ukuthi mina ukujayiva ngiqale
2006.
Ngisemncane.
Wow. Endodana yaqala ukujayiva. But just
Ngasho
ngisekazini. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
So mfethu,
Order.
umnandi.
I'm
Mfethu for the sake of umntwana lo uthi mina ngihlala Station 5 standard 2. Bheka ngazi ukuthi lo muntu uyajayiva esikoleni.
Sure.
Masikhuluma ngobheka personal. Akumazi personal, ngimazela esikoleni ukuthi lo muntu uyajayiva.
Sure.
But ngifuna ukumazi personal ukuthi ubani sikhuluma ngobheka personal sikhuluma ngobani.
Sure. Masikhuluma ngobheka personal, sikhuluma ngobheka King B station inside.
Alright.
Ubheka uMajaivane from Kunjuliwe, wonke umuntu yangazi. Ayiqala kudala lento, ayiqala ngaso 2009. I was doing grade 6. Until now, I'm still the king.
Still the king.
Still the king.
Namaj.
Namaj.
Yes, so much.
Yeah.
I just love the confidence in which kids.
Yeah.
So just that's again more as a question. Ufunde ku primary.
Ngifunde Free State.
Free State. Okay.
Qhubeka. Primary school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Stanton.
Last time ngene GS college because ngisibethele vele Free State.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
ngikhulelile ngapha kodwa bengiza nje umfakanye ngithola.
Oh.
Ngifamily ngapha ngihlala ngapha.
Okay.
Yeah. Kodwa ngikhulelile
Free State.
Yeah. So isikhathi ngispende kakhulu ngapha ngasase college.
Oh, wabo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kabuwa.
Wabo.
Kabuwa.
Aneti.
Kanini.
Akabuwa kana.
Kabuwa lelo fitela kwa.
After the show, the Tobo. So, Jerome. Primary.
Primary.
Yeah.
This
Okay. Secondary.
Secondary Kunjuliwe.
Kunjani mfethu primary?
Primary, yeah. Primary, khona ama-bosses wakhona
Yeah.
because my brother yami umdala is one of them.
Oh.
Chicken Majaivane.
Alright. No, ngeke. Lento lesho uthanda cousin.
Yeah, lento isekazini.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Masifika
2009.
Stinga manje 2009 ngenza grade 6.
Siso 6. Expression 6, Siso 6.
Yes.
So gents, kuzo zonke into ekhona emhlabeni ubeka football, manje sidlala ama-rugby, ama-tennis, ama-cricket gents, ama-dance, ama-ballet. Slender class. Why dancing jazz?
That's for me, and it dance. I hope we see no more a jive at the stage. You got a fear when you're very ground. It doesn't, you might not go into side. And you might go to the entire.
Yeah.
And I'm fools when years like that.
Inside do
And being years about it. Being a cool, I didn't really be a jive.
Yeah, well, she will jam on the kids.
Don't you ever get
Until the face is stage.
Yeah, this will feel.
Yeah.
No, so this cuts out so jive. So we'll stage, no, so we'll face.
So many space. Behind on King Million years of paradise.
So, gentlemen, what age of jive?
Talent love discovery. I'm sure to be
Okay.
She see the time I shot that. Yeah, must have got a child. Yeah, now I'm not told a man. He peace. And then walk like a scribbler. From that, we did the movie years. So, when the love never traveled and called my years, we didn't push.
Yeah.
And the person will end up having this, end up having this with everything. Yeah, like very room for like child. Nobody needs a child. I don't be a child. Yeah.
Once was the beauty.
Yeah.
Guys, like you can move. Yeah. My current 11 years like this society.
Yeah.
Number of society but we need down like on a little box call. No, it's a it's available. Little box. My break, my okay little box. Yeah. It's good to know that the ball.
Yeah.
I want to know kunezinto phakathi lapho futhi nje ukungqokozana bokuso like aba this one akhethi dance. Oba ke umuntu uzokuba ngesidance. It's all about you now.
That's true. So, who inspires you? Also, ngiyabona ngifike emshadweni mfethu. Ngabona lo muntu angijabula kamnandi futhi ngiyayazi. Lo wakenza ukuthi nje uthanda dancing kangaka. Bani lo? Sifuna ukumazi.
I don't believe that. Okay. I mean, could this one. Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Yo.
Goes under Chris Brown.
Yeah.
But it's not much of a I mean, I'm calling whichever dance. I'm going to say, yeah, I'm going to but creative. But I'm even when I'm inspired, because no road I want to do. But okay, Michael Jackson has a second clavier. Something second Chris Brown. Coolly, but to say about the industry, it was a child. I had it out with everything I looked at
Chris. And that's my friend. For now, one day, Chris, I'm not challenging now.
And then,
yeah.
It's so good.
Your term.
I won't term.
Yeah. Jam.
I mean, I'm inspired from
chicken.
Then my tata from his butcher.
Yeah.
I changed that in the yeah. My kind of butcher.
Okay.
But we butcher come at first free touch.
Wow.
Then most of we start we go up coffee dance in quarter dance mosh.
Okay.
Like a transformer is put on system machine.
Okay.
My boy has a client inside the pen.
Wow.
Piano dance is nothing.
Now, was it looking like this? Yeah. Low.
I'm still doing it. Gone.
Namash.
Naksasa, Nango.
Till the crazy.
Yeah. Nini.
Nini. When I feel I was under.
Yeah. Standards and still in the store.
So, James, you're in the crew?
Yeah, cruise.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Expander.
Italian name? Crew. Expander. Okay.
The crew expander lonke kahle ukuthi hlangane kahle ne bonakala ukuthi amazi ku crew manje this year
Yeah. Okay. So iqale kanjani?
Okay, iqale ngokuthi mina bengikhona ukukhuluma nama artists yabo angaphandle ne
Okay.
abantu abaculayo yabo.
Okay.
So kafika lesikhathi sokuthi ngikhuluma no Big Rose yabo.
Yeah.
She's a musician from Uganda.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, then basithatha ke yabo. Uye umuntu like ukhona ukusihlanganisa, wasiphusha up until we level school manje. Yeah.
So nine chance nhlanganise usisters wenza music.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great, gents. So unithole kanjani mfethu ukuthi nikwazi ukuhlangana ngigcine senimosha kanjani mfethu?
Black Rose no X.
Yeah.
Yiwe bamitha ngoba mina ngenza ku-X personal.
Yeah. So yini ayenza ukuthi uze ku-X?
Because dala ngifuna ithuba lokuthi ngijayele nalo muntu lo-X.
Really?
Because u-X kade king i-GS.
Okay.
Ngiyi-king ekhunje king.
Okay.
Every time akuthiwa kune-bash i-GS, bangitshela ukuthi u-X uphihlizi and bengekho lapha.
Yes.
Naye bangitshela ukhunje king ukuthi hey ubheke uphihlizi.
Yes.
Bengekho lapha. Manje sikuyenza i-combination ukuthi umphihlizi nomphihlizi.
Yeah.
Hlanga baphihlizi bahlapha.
So how did you feel mawuze kuthiwa u-X uphihlizi enokahlangana?
Yona into ebengiyazi ukuthi u-X une-talent.
Yeah.
We can dance with X.
Yeah.
Bengazi ukuthi wherever kuthiwa kune-competition khona u-X khona nami izoba tough.
I-competition.
Yeah, ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi u-X yamuva and nami ngiyamuva.
Oh, so lento le icale kahle kuma-competition.
Ngibonana competition ukuthi sibonane ukuthi kahle sibaliphethe mina ngiphethe.
So one-crew.
No, bengasicrew
Oh, singing.
Yeah, sing.
Nawe nami uhamba wena.
Nami ngihamba ngiyi-one.
So just okay. Ama-competitions just bewoba kanjani?
Ama-competition.
Bewoba ama-crews or individuals?
Singers. Individuals. Ma-competition ngihamba individuals.
And then ama-finals vele.
Bengihamba individuals and then bengwin because bengana competition individual.
Yeah.
Teams zoletha this guy.
What need competition?
Competition only good rehearse. Not good competition. So good rehearse.
Yo.
Sasihlangene.
Seventh competition in nani good rehearse.
Okay.
To create a routine, a fresh,
Yeah.
Because yazi khona lento le mina ngokuyibone ebulala i-talent namajida yabo abantu.
Okay.
Aleni ukuthi ngisengafisana ne-opponent yami. Mhlambe sengamhlula kwabantu ne. Bese umunye afile ngathi angakhwitha ukudlala lapha. Yeah, but mina no King B besinayo le nami ukuthi ntwana lento lesifuna iphusha abantu iphambili senze imali.
Yeah.
Vele kodwa sahlangana ngaleyo point le uthanda. Thina ngeke sajayela ukwenzela abantu imali.
Yabo ukuthi nje competition
siyenza
talent.
That's why sithole umuntu oyonke product.
Umuntu ophushayo nje.
Umuntu ophushayo.
Wow. So gents, lalento le yenzeka malento le general gents. Even the director yami yayenza lento le. Because last time islam wakha lengoma vele wajayiva hleli phansi ngathi sokume kwahluleka.
Kuba
I-director wami. Cameraman.
Ayikho simple.
Nje lento le siyayenza manje sihleli phansi nje. Abantu bamele sisukume
Ngohlele phansi lento le kumele uyijayivele engomeni. Uyayijayivela ubuyizwa kahle.
And ngiyayibona vele ukuthi ngiyashaya le.
Immediately sukuma phela. Awusanazi inyawo ezo-6.
Kanti kwenzakalani?
Zonenyawo ezo-2. Ayinohlele phansi ezo-6. Ilezi ezo-4 zesitulo nalezi zazo.
Siyangijuza.
Ibalance imi sangamuva noma kanjani munzini.
Yeah. Alright.
Immediately ngezo-2.
No chance nami ngicela ukumuva manje. Ngicela ukumuva but asile breaking nje siyaboya.
Thank you.
We still got more coming for you. I'm with the chance here. We're coming back. Welcome back to Phenomenal State Talent Showcase. I'm still your host, Caroline Mpetsama Chita Refumes. Panda X. Oh, more Panda X. X Panda more. Damn. Still patience. Now and never till the grave. They're going to smell. Jazz.
That's you.
We're back. So, Jazz, I'm going to question. Standard on Jens. I'm a cruise is now. Standard on
I'm a crew with dance. With dance, I'm a crew so fast so I can expand a lot.
I expanded on me.
No, Jens, I'm talking about standard on song. Session 4, session 6, 2.
You mean standard on song?
It's in the Cosmos Park, Jens.
Standard on song is like expand along.
That's me.
It's me.
No, Jens, I'm
Yeah.
like Jens, I work all of money, Shambazama.
That's a driver individual.
That's me. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
it's
there's
not like
different.
yeah.
There's different between
Yeah, it's like
we look different but look
Khotsana,
Khotsana,
no.
look China.
Straight.
So thina simadenzas
Straight.
bona bayakhothana.
Yeah.
Even nama-event awafani no Khotsana ukhothana.
Oh.
Bazoyijayivela bonke ikotana yabo kodwa
Yeah.
yeah.
That's
Then
right.
we dance.
Dance.
Yeah, siyaphusha thina we dance.
Senza vele le-
Yeah, not for
dance.
events, but for something.
Yeah.
Maybe award or part.
Yeah.
Something. Maybe it's exposure in the industry.
So ukukhothana kahle kahle it's about ukukhothana then
It's about
we entertain abantu abazosibukela mhlawumbe
Yeah.
ukujive lokho-ke kahle kahle thina sikho specialized ukujive
Ukujive.
khuthana manje sesiyaqhoma
yeah, it's like culture. It's not scrutiny. It's Tina so much higher.
okay
So much higher.
so nje mina le crew yami nje ekhuthana ayisasaphaza nje
Yeah.
So- so thina nje no sifuna competition
Okay,
nazo.
No, I got it.
Let them-
Oh, Tina, okay, i-competition ungayithola yabo. Mara into engingakutshela ngayo. Kuzomele sikhiphe mhlawumbe 2000 spage.
Spage for the
Mane khuluma
my cool crowd.
Because it's all about the money, bro.
Yeah.
usho kwezinto
Yeah, man,
awungeke
that's
senza
what it is.
nje mina manje nje
Hayi ukuthi isathi lodabile jamani.
thina nje asithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu we just like to practice what we preach
Yeah.
yeah so it is teachers
Date.
yeah
Anakusasa nje.
sasa no namanje
Namanje.
namanje yeah
Kumele just be positive.
usho kwezi
No,
uthela imali manje so nje ama competition sewahambile as a crew
sasenzela lawo because we look down yabo.
yeah
We individuals that you know I want to start really good now.
siyena
Yes.
okay so nje i-lockdown imphethe kanjani lezi ama-dancers
Even this criteria.
As
Ngoba akunama-event
yeah
our social distance
yes sir
ngapha sibalulekile siphumi
yeah
yabo.
yeah
That means shothi wena mawudenza njengathi siyafana lo kuzomele uyishayele yini or yakho uyishaye ivideo then sesiwacombine ama-routine ngamavideo then spritize isitayela ngile sona spritize ngimuphe sona spritize kuthi ekugcineni masila sohlangana sithole ithuba lokuthi sihlangane senze into le besiphana iyahlangana liba into lo
so mafasilene no
hayi sonke simafasilena but sisebenza vele ngale ndlela ukuthi sonke sizama ukufinyelela la
yeah yeah
yabo.
but since we keep here,
Mina.
lady la ngasangahlanganisa into yamama. Shuthi ama-routine masisibale kudaily mhlawumbe singenza 5.
Senza 5 ama-routine and
Ngelanga
not just
nje.
routine, powerful routines.
ngelanga nje
Ngelanga.
50
Maybe isinakunikeza 50. It depends ukuthi lawo mavideo esiwayenzayo.
Yeah.
Nge-5 amavideo ama-clip we-30 seconds
yeah
awu-5 ngelanga sawashaya well polished
yeah
amahle and clean hayi ukhona uzophela.
okay
Yeah.
so chance now school lockdown
School of
and especially crisis yokuthi our sister bethu mfethu
Yeah.
sibafaka imbamo sibafaka amabhoots sabaphansi nje abade kumele sibathande
Yeah.
sibaphathise bayigubha
Yeah.
James, what do you understand in gender-based violence? Do you support it?
May support angithi bafethu into le ayikho right. Ayikho great.
Yapenda le.
Ngoba manje is like isipenda zonke man. Ngoba siyafana nje.
Yabo.
Siyafana sonke sinajinja. Yabo mayenziwa ngumuntu.
Avoida lo ukuthi bayukuhlukumeza abantu besimame. Mabayenze something.
Ayinobunande akubi khona ngaphandle kokumama nawe uyazi.
Now yes. Depends kubo.
Manje masihlukumeza bona vele sokuyini into engithola.
Because labantu abasinika uthando chance but in indlela sibathithana
Ipedi. Lento le
Bahlala careful.
yabo ipedi ngendlela ukuthi ipedi ngoba kwathina expanda lonke sawadinga kahle kahle ama-female dancers.
yeah
Yeah.
Isizwe sonke ingabithi ama-yes.
So Johnson in the Coronian, do you have about do his father like what's his dad?
Umuntu wesifazane manager yethu.
Yeah. Or odenzayo.
Odenzayo isidinga bona yibo abangekho.
So just how do you scout a talented cast? Because no one dinga yini abantu besifazane. So that bangazothi ayento laba gender based violence.
Yeah.
Oh, bayakhetha bafuna amajida kuphela.
Wena sepaging staff should any female dancers. Abeka bona basavela.
Yeah.
Slow set bona sabadinga ama female dancers.
Yeah.
Ngoba understand that akhona na ama female dancers. Maningi.
Or niyabazi.
Bakhona.
So why never approach about gents?
Okay, approach abo uba namanye ama second thought ukuthi mhlambi you want something uyabo kanti wena just futhi sajala.
Elento le ngithola ukuthi umuntu uyihlalela rekophela lo uhlala RDP.
RDP.
Okay, uyasohlala kodwa usobakisi. Asithi uhlala mhlambe e5 lo muntu. Uyamazi ukuthi uyajive.
Uyajive.
Uyamazi ukuthi uyajive. And the only way to approach is to text him on Facebook.
Yeah.
And then mawucala wena uthi hello ku Facebook.
Inqondo yakhe na reaction yakhe nje uthi or umuntu lona mhlambi yabo ama-Jivana bathanda bayitshela lokho abantu
approachela for ukuthi no and sawubona usuzakho
ibukeka kahle ngokumcheat makumachitha Jivana okay bayenza into eyi-one yabo ibukeka kahle noma kumachitha wodwa noma mgogeli kodwa yeah.
But no bafaka nje imfundo
sayenza into le.
So chance
ngoba nathi must expand lonke asikho imfundo yokujolana.
Yes.
So expand lonke sisemsebenzi.
Yeah.
Ukuthi siyenze creativity one.
Yeah. So chance support from Endlini injani?
Support for Endlini give me imnandi support.
Amazing.
900.
Tangolami then support the time thing enzayo
even ngaphandle even elami RDP.
Yeah.
Mawungafika khona ufika ukokote nje RDP bakuzenzakalani bazotshela ukuthi there is only one king la
because
yes, only king.
They must nominate nakuma awards we South African Golden Star Awards.
Bachela. But nominate matches.
There's nominated guys ku South African Golden Star Awards but it was really khona sendlulile.
Sendlulile.
Yeah.
Bese
sinenyaniseka konje ubani I think it was June,
July, August.
Then it was September it wasn't big but then khona abantu support the stars and yeah even see sharing information on Facebook page there too.
Let's hope we do it.
Yeah. Thank you to you and you who voted for Amachi.
Sibonge futhi la.
Asibonge.
And the agents futhi siyambongisa nayo ukuthi banominate agents. Ngicela ukuthi nihambe niyesifumele agents. We're behind you. We're behind you. We love you guys.
Yeah.
So agents, abazali bani support into niyenzayo.
Yeah.
Agents nama event sohambe ebusuku.
Yeah.
And esiphuma ekhaya fana nje. Yabona mina ngo6 endlini but uma ngifuna ngo6 endlini. Asiphuma ekhaya fana uma ngathi ngo6 endlini. Ithemba lithi amabeko bheka sekamdala. Into ayithandayo le.
Singazama ukuthi siye lapho si-expand lonke siye lapho kulo khaya sikhulume nakuthi after i-performance yethu when sabuyisa with no doubt.
Okay, so ithatha as a cruise sibuyise endlini.
Sibuyise endlini.
Senza sure ukuthi ubasafe.
Senza sure ukuthi ubasafe.
Nasenza
wena hamba.
uhambe ngathi.
Yeah, nasendlini babona ukuthi uhambe. Sober minded. Feel sober minded.
Yeah. So right now next time futhi endlini
bazokwazi ukudedela. Yeah.
Bese.
Kodwa ke yini into eshayayo yabo.
Iboy.
Yeah, ukuthi abanye ama-parents not like
azosithela
especially
kuma-female dancers.
Yeah.
But as soon as siceda ngaleyo nkinga leyo iyasothola khona ama-female dancers wethu.
Yeah. So James, how do you practice?
Okay, lesitholi now practice Sakile Stadium.
Okay, stadium.
Yeah, stadium.
Okay.
Court. Let's practice that corner Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Oh.
Fourth. No one. Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
No, James, I. It's coaching no sehlala kugcwele mina ngibangela coaching yini Kuthi yini gents?
Saphelele.
Wasemakhaya. Abasaklini gents. Ngo4 Tekothi.
Imali esiphazamiswa lokudala.
Iphazamiswa lokudala.
No gents.
Isiphazamiswa big time.
Gents in their practice. But already abantu sebamukela.
Bayithanda ibile
Right.
abasilambile.
Basilambile kakhulu manje.
And then gents, how do you feel ukuthi nina siya practice sika perform siya practice but already sinabantu abasibukela.
Nathi kuba nalento yokuthi silambi njengathi ngesibandla kwa Black Rose manager uyazi ukuthi silambile. Sifuna kakhulu.
So
kwa King Nazi was kahle.
King Nazi manager yini?
Wonke ama-manager nje wethu wazi ngathi ukuthi siyayifuna le. Ngoba sikhona kunina yawo manager wethu.
I'm a manager. So gents, what's your short-term goal? Short-term goal.
Okay, short-term goal.
And as a crew.
Okay, ukuthi abantu baqala basibhuke like via our programs. Before I mean like abantu baqala kusirecognize live umalanga kuqala yabo. Before sijikela ku radio station la eMpumalanga baqala yabo bakhona besifazane nathi. Before singasebenza nabantu abangaphandle nasinga yabo. Into ethi qala yazi la ekhaya
eMpumalanga
sikhona.
Ayihlalile sifuna ukuthola support eMpumalanga yonke.
Yonke sifuna yonke.
Kuzoba khona la ukuthi nabo bafana standard.
Yeah. Abamele iMpumalanga.
Abamele iMpumalanga. Sikuphakamisa 2014.
So kahle
standard.
ngaba event amancane lawa azoba khona. Kahle sifisa ukuthi ngahlezi sikuthanda gama lithi
Lida.
Okay.
Hlezi ngisilapho.
Noma ngikudla osiva but masikho la now.
But already gents, come there phezulu. You're the only crew standard on any community of SA. No, I'm talking about SA.
Yeah.
South Africa. Not provincial, not from Malawi. Talking South Africa.
Yeah, I never did that because we never did that.
How did you feel? No chance money.
Thank
This is a gents.
I was going to meeting and say
you.
Of course you are, gents. About your practice, I'm going to
yeah, I
Line shoot and more. Gents, I'm going to say, gents, I'm going to celebrate it too.
yeah.
I feel so honored. Yes.
Yeah, man.
So, the challenge is gents, I'm facing now as a crew.
Yeah.
Imaphi.
Sasela ama challenges la ngokuthi sasikhona abantu abangakabi serious yabo.
Okay, yeah.
Yabo. Yilapho ke ama-manager wethu asadibiyasha ngalo ukuthi abakathuli kahle inamba yethu si-expanda lokho ukuthi kahle abanye ababekho dedicated yabo.
So how many are you in the crew?
As in for now, cishe in the King B, C2
Yeah.
yeah. Then the rest ukuthi abanye bakhona basafunda
Oh yeah.
so mina ngibona ngathi inkinga le
Or we focus on them by
mina lo King B siqedile
Yeah.
sinesikhathi sonke
Yeah.
yeah maya abanye mhlawumbe umuntu usamele ayenze umuntu umsebenzi siqedile
Yeah.
then leyo nkinga sephinde kube inkinga ukuthi affect
Yabo bakhona nje bakuyikhothani esibarecruitile yabo.
Yeah.
Manje nabo basafisana lenkinga ukuthi ukhothani babo ngapha.
Because then le
yabo.
sifemeli masasoma sexpanda la kene you are willing ukuthi sisizane ngayo yonke into
Yeah.
noma ngathi unenkinga ekhaya okuphi but
Yeah.
yesiphile
Nah,
so nami
sisi-
mangizothi ngiku-expanda lonke but ngisane scheme esiceli ngaphandle yabo
Kuzoba-
nalaba ba-expect ukuba nabo
Nathi expect ukubana.
nangapha be-expect ukuba nabo
Yeah.
so kufanele ukuthi mina yabonga ngimosha yonke
Kahle focus
This is
yeah.
yeah.
Angisazi ukuthi-
ngisazazi nami ngwelaphi yabo
So how do you think the
Because
challenges
now-
are kanjani gents?
kahle kahle into esabhekene nayo
Yini esabhekene.
Ngisafuna ukudila nayo.
and ibuhlungu like ngoba manje if ukhona asithi si-200 manje noma siyaphusha crew then ngokuthi siyazi sinaloya yabo then masayafika loya naloya mina no-King B sesukwenza imisebenzi kusamele siqale phasi
Sifundisa nabebangekho.
Nabanye.
yabo
Yeah.
sesibuyisele emuva kanti kumele ngoba sesiyaqhubeka yabo
And manje isikhathi phela ukuthi sibuyele emuva isikhathi yasi.
Siyahamba.
Yeah.
yeah into eshaya inokuthi shaye.
So gents,
ngoba siyazi ukuthi singayenza umsebenzi kumele siwenze mesukhiphe sonke abanye abekho
and abanye sakhona ukuchubeka bangena
and masuwenza thina masuwenza sona
nabazoba nekhompyutha
bazobona ngathi
yabona
asibaleke lamashina nje mfowethu yabona
so gents
abavaleleke
ababukelela kini because
yeah
like anemakhulumayo mhlambe kwamanje
baningi
maningi
yabo njengami nje abaningi abantu abangihluphayo ukuthi ngafundisa ukujayiva
so uyavuma bafundisa
yeah ngiyavuma ngesikhathi sami nginaso but
yini ekwenza ukuthi uvuma
esho ukuthi
they are willing to
you're
yabo ukuthi nami ngiyayithanda bafuna ukwenza so enye into ngiyazi ukuthi mangisiza labantu is not like nami ngiyaphifteka ngitho nami ngingena 500 eksakhe
so gents yini into encourageayo nini ukuthi ngingagive up lento yokujayiva because ama-challenges abhayi but lento leyo inenza ukuthi no lento siyafuna sinapatient lento leyo ngeke sizigive up
yabo mina nendlela engibona yabo mina noKimbi ngasho ukuthi lento lesisebenzele kakhulu yabo edala ngaqala so knowledgeable yabo ngalento enzakalayo yani usho ukuthi ngathi siyafana siforce nje
that's why very ngicela ngihlangene
yeah
mindset vele
so into
into futhi esituduzelayo ama-managers looking nathi news killers
shothi bayayifaka leyo no it's great mfethu ukuthi siselokishini and we have a manager so how do they treat you
kamnandi kanjani so wena ulento siyenza
bayithanda
kodwa uyazixabana into ekhona ngeke
Yeah, into ehlala
khona mina
because umsebenzi kumele uhlale umsebenzi
umsebenzi uhlala
and kumele kube khona i-respect yomsebenzi even noma singaqabanga personally mina na but mase sihlanganisa umsebenzi so nina nibatreat kanjani because bona banitreat kahle
nathi sibatreat kahle ngoba always deliver the best
usho ukuthi singasho nje manje ukuthi sometimes vele
ngasho ukuthi
nabalahleka side
singasho sibalahlela side ukuthi
sinokudelela ukuthi and nabo banezinto kumele bazenze awudelela ukuthi usikho
African time yeah so just besamtshela ukuthi khona abantu abanikhalelayo bafuna ukuthi nibagrowne so isikhathi nje ngesenza kanjani sokuthi okay no akusisikhathi ukuthi ni-practice no isikhathi sokuthi nibagrowne no isikhathi sokuthi isikhathi yonke into nesikhathi sayo nje
isikhathi ukuthi ugrowne umuntu isikhathi sakho individual personal isikhathi sakho isikhathi sephanda lonke isikhathi sephanda lonke
so how do you manage that time
leso sikhathi simanage ukuthi siyasho ukuthi ngelanga likaso sikasothi shothi kumele wenze sure ukuthi ukhansela yonke into ngalelo langa or usagrinile lelo langa lelo ubuye sosebenza phuma into ephuma ngoba vele isihlezi sinikeza ama-hour amaningi
so the question is are you teaching abanye abantu manje currently
yeah mina currently I have 2 students yes base-RDP and they are coming and they are coming
mina I feel like sengenze kakhulu isikhathi eside but abantu abangithathi serious abanye yabo so since senginemeneja yabo angiboni ukuthi ku-right umuntu azongi-approach kuqala afune lento ayifunayo nayidimanda so ngampane ngamsenda kumeneja ayikhuluma nayo
azobona ukuthi serious
ukuthi ngisathelele nama-decision because ngizowayenza lama-decision noma sewangifaka enhlingeni yabo sewafaka mina individual awusafaki uma ngizochazela imeneja yami into leyangazazi sokuyinkinga futhi
kahle wena kumele uprotect igama lakho
because ngisengamfundisa manje umuntu ahambe futhi naye ufundisa
laba engibakhuluma they are still young boys primary ones and they are powerful
usho ukuthi
they are coming
So ubakhuluma ukuthi babe under Panda or
with their future Panda.
that's great. So where can we get hold of you? Like abantu abangafuna nje ukusebenzisana nani bangithola ma social media.
Sine group Expanda lonke.
Okay.
Sine page.
Okay.
Expanda lonke. Facebook.
Okay. Na ikhemera lapho batshele page nokuthi personally bazokuthola kuyibanga.
Okay. Mina personally ngizongithola kubheka B. Ubheka B yulo engilisebenzisayo as King B. Then si Expanda lonke uzosithola ku Expanda lonke i-page usithole na Expanda lonke i-group.
Okay.
Yeah, ngaphinde nizivakashele wena lapha ku-YouTube guys, yabo ukuthi ukusubscribe ngani, yabo expanda more. Yeah, ila mina ngifaka khona amavideo wami okujayiva. Yeah, then kwi-page lami ku-XMajayivana. Then manje sidinga guys for ama-bookings. Ngicela nifonele imanager yethu manje. Yeah. Black Rose le number ne 068 270 13 12. Yeah. Ngiphindela 068 yeah 068 270 13 12. Then kube udirector wethu naye osebenzisana naye uBlack Rose uKing Nathi yena umthola ku 072 353 then is 0028. Ngeke uyiphinda naye yakhe 072 353 then kube 0028. Yeah, lapho guys ngizosithola ke lapho then yonke into ibe ngomuntu nje lapho.
Straightforward.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for today. So thank you guys for coming. We really had a great time. I'm Carolyn. I'm out of here. Catch me on the next episode.
Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, and thy kingdom come. I pray to you, and thy will be done on earth. So please bless my home as it is in heaven. Bless my home. Give us this day, and our daily praise.